Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have just a typical run-of-the-mill MRE. Now this is menu 19, Sloppy Joe filling, and yeah, this is actually a really good one. Of course, we'll open it up, give it a try, and I actually got this one from my buddy James. Thanks a lot, James. I owe you one, buddy. I'll send you something soon. Don't worry about that. Yeah, let's have a close look at it. All right, let's have a close look at it. We have the standard tanned thick plastic bag. We have the peelable seal, which comes standard with every MRE. We have MRE right on the front. We have a couple of soldiers and some weaponry. This is menu number 19, Sloppy Joe filling. We have the Department of Defense of the United States of America. This one is by Ameriquel. And honestly, I think the Ameriquel MREs are the best ones. They're all great, you know, the Warnick, the Sopacos, but I think the Ameriquel is the best one. And you have the usual government lingo, and yeah, nothing on the back. We have a date code, and this one appears to be from 2012, so it's got a few years on it, but I'm pretty sure that everything is completely edible. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. These MREs are bomb-proof. You can pretty much do anything to them, leave them out in the sun for a few years, and they should still be edible. But yeah, let's get right to it. Let's open it up. All right, let's break out the Benchmade, and we'll just cut right into it. And this being Ameriquel, you got the double packaging. There's a bag inside of a bag. All right, let's see what we got. We have the hot beverage bag. Not bad. We have the flameless ration heater. Can't go wrong with that. We have the usual MRE spoon, and we have a package of grape jelly. Stuff is great. We have a carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder or orange drink. There's the nutritional stuff and ingredients. We have some crackers, nicely vacuum sealed, and we have some peanut butter. We have an accessory packet. We'll check it out in a minute. All right, and we have some snacks. We have a jalapeno cheddar tortilla baked snack. Yeah, this should be interesting. All right, and we have some BBQ sauce for that Sloppy Joe. And we have a box of mixed fruit. There you have the ingredients, nutrition facts. And check that out, we have a postcard. Honestly, I've never seen that in an MRE, so that's completely new to me. And we have the Sloppy Joe. And there's the ingredients, nutrition stuff. And this time we have this, not a postcard. And that's it. Oh yeah, forgot the accessory pack. Open it up. We have a creamer, non-dairy dry, moist towelette, some sugar, some coffee instant type 3, feels pretty good, iodized salt, toilet paper or butt ration, a couple of pieces of gum, some matches, pink tips, and that's it. All right guys, there you have all the contents, and as you can already tell, there's not a whole lot going on. We have just a couple of drinks, a couple of snacks, and the main entree, and pretty much it. And that's really all we need. It is a substantial amount of food for one meal, so we really can't complain. Yeah, we'll heat up the main entree, we'll use the flameless heater, and then we'll take it from there. So let's begin. All right, let's prepare the Sloppy Joe. We'll use our flameless heater just to get it nice and hot. Hopefully it still works. If not, then we'll just eat it cold, I guess. Just get it out of the box. And there we have our Sloppy Joe. Of course, it's in a retort pouch. So same usual steps, you just open up the bag. And we'll just slide up the heating element. Slide in our Sloppy Joe. And then we'll fill it up to the fill line with some water. There we go. We'll swish it around a little bit, get that heating element soaked in that water. And I think it's activated. We'll just close it up, stick it back in the box. And we need a rock or something. And I got this custom made by Renee. She also has some ration reviews, so make sure you check her out. And yeah, we'll give it about 10 or 15 minutes. All right, let's prepare a drink. We have the orange powder drink. Yeah, that does have a really strong smell. Smells like vitamin C or, you know, artificial orange flavor. Let's get some water. Looks good enough. And we'll give it a quick stir. Yeah, check that out. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is extremely stale. It tastes just like, you know, artificial orange flavor. It's got that really strong vitamin C, orange, fake taste to it. Other than that, it's very sweet. And yeah, it's still kind of enjoyable, I would say. And we'll turn this off. And let's get the coffee ready. Here it is, freeze-dried coffee. Yeah, still looks good. And we have our non-dairy creamer. And of course, let's add some sugar. Yeah, let's give it a stir. We'll let that coffee cool down and then we'll try it out. All right, let's check out the crackers. As you can see, they're vacuum sealed. Let's see if we hear a hiss. Yep, there was a small hiss. And there we have our crackers. You can see they're kind of falling apart. Yeah, just nice plain crackers. Let's try a piece. All right. Yeah, they're just your typical MRE crackers. They are a little bit bland, and that's all you can say about them. They are a little bit stale from aging, but other than that, they're still edible. Let's check out the grape jelly. See what it's all about. And we'll try it by itself. There you have it. Let's try it. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Just your typical grape jelly, a little bit chunky and really sweet. There is a slight bit of fermentation, but it is still good. Let's try it on a cracker, just because we can. All right, let's try with the cracker. Yeah, that goes really good with the cracker. Both are a little bit stale, so you do get that funny aftertaste, but still edible, still okay, I guess. All right, let's check out our coffee. Should be nice and cool. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. There is something about MRE coffee. It's just really good, especially the type 1 and type 3. It's got this kind of smoky flavor to it. Yeah, that is very enjoyable. And let's check out the peanut butter. Let's first try it by itself. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. And of course, we have to have the peanut buddy. All right, let's give them a try. Yeah, that peanut butter is excellent, nice and creamy and sweet. And you really can't go wrong with some MRE crackers alongside. All right, let's check out the baked snacks. We'll get rid of this. And we have some combos. And there's the cheesy filling. All right, here we go. Those combos are excellent. They're nice and spicy. They have a nice cheesy flavor to them. And yeah, they're excellent. Let's check out the mixed fruit. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, that looks nice and dark. And this fruit cocktail is not in the greatest of shape. You can really tell by the color, it's nicely fermented. And yeah, we have to give it a try, so let's grab a bite. There you can see how dark it is, but you know, we need to risk it for you guys, so here we go. Oh man. Oh, yeah, that is not good. That is not good at all. It's nice and stale and fermented. It's got a really weird taste to it, and it is somewhat sweet, but not in a good way. Let's check out the Sloppy Joe. And let's clean this up. And it's nice and clean. Let's get it opened up. And there's our Sloppy Joe. And it does have a very pleasant tomato scent to it. Let's get it on our plate. Oh yeah. And yeah, it's looking a little bit rough. Not sure if I got enough heat. We'll still give it a try. And there we have our Sloppy Joe. Looks all right, I guess. Here we go. That is actually quite nice. The meat is a little bit tough, a little bit chewy. Other than that, the sauce is really good, nice and sweet. Yeah, that's just Sloppy Joe, and yeah, it's decent. Let's try it with the cracker. There's our Sloppy Joe filling with MRE cracker. Here we go. Yeah, that isn't bad with the cracker. It really adds to it. It really does balance the flavors and gives it a nice crunch. And let's add some barbecue sauce, I guess, so we can make it even more sweet or sweeter. And let's try it with the barbecue sauce. Here we go. The barbecue sauce doesn't really add much to it. Just gives it more sweetness and just a hint of smokiness. Yeah, that's about it. And I really think we should try the Sloppy Joe with a real hamburger bun, just to see how it's like. Now that's what we call a Sloppy Joe. All right, here we go. That is really good with the bun. Too bad it's not in the MRE. That would have been perfect. And we'll check out the moist towelette just to clean our hands. Still nice and moist. Smells a little bit like lemon. Yeah, definitely still works. And let's freshen up our breath with this chiclet gum. All right. That is nice and minty and fresh. And our MRE matches. All right, guys, that was it. This was the Sloppy Joe, menu number 19 from 2012. And I gotta say, this MRE was a little bit iffy, a little bit older, a little bit stale. Some of the stuff was still enjoyable, like the coffee and the combos. The Sloppy Joe was a little bit weird. The texture threw me off a little bit, but with the bun, it was almost perfect. Just wanna give a huge shout out to my buddy James for sending this in. I really appreciate it. I will be sending something your way very soon. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And got some more stuff I'm working on. And if anybody's looking for more sticky rations, looking to purchase one, I should have them in stock very, very soon. So stick around for that. And as always, thank you guys for watching.